Welcome. The Google team wants to inform you that Google has made enhancements in Google Sheets, particularly using the paste special values. It has made enhancements with the values of dates and numbers. We'll go ahead and talk more about that here shortly. Also in this video, you're going to learn all the available options when you use paste special inside Google Sheets. Let's go ahead and dive deeper and learn more. As you can see, I'm currently in Google Sheets, and we're going to focus on the new improved paste value experience in Google Sheets. And we're going to learn all the available options that you have under the paste special feature. Let's first focus on the new update. As you can see in column H, I have a list of dates populating. I want to go ahead and copy that column, and with the new update, I can right-click, choose paste special values, and this time with the new enhancement, it will no longer paste special the date serial number. It will actually give me the dates. So this is a really good way to make sure that the data is correct as you're using the paste special value concept. Now, the other thing is maybe you don't understand what paste special values really means. Well, let's look at column I, for example. Column I, if you look in the function area over here, it says equal sum C2 to G2. It's a total of Google Docs all the way through Google Forms. Now, sometimes you just want it to be a static number and no longer be a relative or absolute formula. So you can go ahead and do the same thing and choose copy and right-click and paste special values. And you'll notice now it's no longer a formula, it is just the value of that sum at that snapshot time. So that's just one of the reasons why you actually use paste special values, because as you know, relative or absolute formulas can make it a little complicated if you add or remove columns or you copy and paste into a new sheet. This is a way to just populate the data itself, paste the values in this particular example. Now let's go ahead and show you some of the other options you have available. So I'm going to go to column A, and I'm going to go ahead and copy that column, and I'm just going to open a new tab at the bottom, and I want to go ahead and choose the right click, again, paste special, and look at all the options you have available for you. You could actually paste special values. Let's go ahead and do that and see what it populates. You'll notice the formatting did not come over. Let's go ahead and do the same thing. Right click, paste special, format only. You can then see it brought the format only over. One more time, let's go ahead and paste special again because it's still copied in my clipboard. You can actually see there's conditional formatting only, data validation only. Again, great way to quickly get the particular area that you want to so-called copy over. One of the other options that I really use quite often is the transposed. I'm going to go ahead and choose transposed. Now remember, this is a vertical list. It's going up and down. Watch what happens when I select transposed. It will copy the data in a horizontal way. So you can see then it's selected and all my data is now in the columns versus the rows. Let's just quickly undo that and go in reverse. I'm going to go now back to the original data sheet, to sheet 1, and let's go in reverse. So I'm going to go ahead and copy row 1. I'm going to go ahead and select copy row 1, and I'm going to hit copy, and I'll go to a new sheet just to give you some understanding. This time I'm going to right click, paste special, and choose transposed. Now it went in up and down order, vertical, and it was a really easy way to get it in a different format that I need for my particular business need. There's other options. Again, I strongly encourage you, but I think it's just the right click and look at all the options that you have. You have paste special values, format only, formula only, conditional formatting only, data validation only, transposed, column width only, and all except borders. So again, this is a great way to manipulate data and get it to the way that you need for your business need. With that, I strongly encourage you to check out the resources posted below to learn more about this update and Google Sheets. Thank you.